Today, I will unbox the Philips AquaTouch series S3122 55 electric shaver. It is a premium shaver giving an excellent shaving experience. The shaver costs me 3200 INR, but please do check the latest prices in the affiliate link provided in the description. It can be used for both dry and wet shaving. So what do you get inside the box? The Philips electric shaver comes with a 1 year of extended warranty if you register the product within 90 days of. Next in the box is the proprietary 2-pin charger model number HQ8505. This is a 9-watt charger. The charger offers one full shave on a 5-minute quick charge, and in 1 hour of charge it offers 55 minutes of run time. The only pain point for a lot of us is that the charger comes with its own proprietary connector and is not USB-C type. It is about time Philips moved to USB Type-C charging connectors for more convenience and environmental friendliness. The third thing you get is a plastic lid or a protective cover for the shaver head. Surprisingly, Philips does not supply us with cleaning brushes, a carrying case, or a pouch or any other accessory, even at this price. Now comes the main device. At the front it has Philips labeling and the model number. Next is an ergonomically designed clickable button for switching on and off the device. The device is covered at all the right places with rubber-like textured grip. And at both the center and the sides have good grip to enable use in both wet and dry conditions. At the back of the shaver is a pop-up trimmer for trimming sideburns and mustaches. On the top of the shaver, we have the 3 rotary blades. These come with a patented curved design that offer superior and close shave. These blades have a special feature where they can rotate along their own axis, and the top body on which the blades are connected can also move. As soon as you're done shaving, all you have to do is press one button right below the entire top head unit. It pops up through a spring-loaded action for easy cleaning. The entire blade assembly at the top of the head can easily be opened to deep clean the device once every few days of use. The unit contains 27 self-sharpening power cut blades for long-lasting performance. You can actually feel the difference in how close the shaver cuts the beard without damaging the skin compared to other shaving blades. The cutting blades, which are positioned inside the rotary heads, are extremely sharp. One must be very careful when handling the high-quality blades. I cannot emphasize enough the ease of use that you get with the 5 directional pivot flex heads that follow the curves of your jawline, allowing for a comfortable shave as it can reach closer to the hair roots. The system is designed with a skin protection system that gives you a clean wet shave and doesn't damage your skin. Reassembling the blades is as easy as taking them out. Once you're done cleaning the blades assembly, all you have to do is to position the blades back into the grill, putting the entire assembly back into its slots and then fixing the lower bracket back into its place. The motor connectors are also extremely good quality as they are flexible and agile, aligning with the movement of the rotary heads as you shave. Positioned right under the power on off button is an LED. The LED glows red when the battery is low. The moment the charger is connected to the shaver, the LED indicator begins to flash, indicating the charging. Once the charging is done, the light becomes stable, indicating the charging is complete. The whole process takes approximately 1 hour for a complete charge. Next, I will make you hear the sound of the main rotary unit and the trimmer blade. This is all the sound it makes. This is the sound it makes. That's about it. Thanks for watching the video. Do like and subscribe and have a super day.